Hello, everyone. It's the summer of 2019, and you know what time it is, right? It's sponsor time. It's time for me to show you exactly what you need to do to get sponsors for your business. I want to share with you what I know to help you grow. And I want to share with you how you can get sponsors for your brand, your business, your podcast, your event, your nonprofit, your blog. Anything. Sponsors want to work with you, and I'll show you how to do it. I'm going on tour, 2 cities on the East Coast this year, and it's going to be New York on Saturday, August the 24th, and it's going to be Nashville on Saturday, September the 7th. If you live anywhere around either one of these cities, you need to join me. And if you can't make it on the tour with me and meet me, you gotta come to Atlanta for Sponsorship Sales Secrets Live, September 20th and 21st. But let's talk about the tour. Here's what I'm gonna be sharing with you. And guys, you gotta join me. I'm gonna share with you the proper foundation for working with corporate sponsors, okay? And then I'm gonna share with you why they would wanna work with you and what you stand to gain from working with them. And then I'm gonna share with you my winning sponsorship pitch, okay? This is a pitch that has landed me hundreds of thousands of dollars in sponsorship. And I'm also going to share with you my 5-step process for how you get sponsors, okay? And this is the strategy to close them. And I'm also going to share with you the number one thing that sponsors expect you to have. Guys, and I'm going to talk to you about a winning sponsorship proposal, and I'm going to share with you my fails and my mistakes and things I've learned over all these years with getting sponsors, so you don't make the same mistakes that I did. It is going to be amazing. Simply, you have to join me. Guys, I can't wait to see you there. Get your tickets and register early. All you got to do is go to sponsorshipsalesecrets.com. That's right, sponsorshipsalesecrets.com. This has been Lori A. Mans with QualityMediaConsultants.com, where we help you, the entrepreneur, to get more dream clients, gain brand visibility, and grow revenue in record time. And one of the ways we do that is by teaching you how to work with sponsors. Guys, you got to join me for the Sponsorship Sales Secrets Workshop Tour. I'm only coming to 2 cities on the East Coast, and it's because last year we did the West Coast. So East Side, what's up? Show me how you represent. I can't wait to see you this summer. Go to sponsorshipsalesecrets.com. That's right. Go to sponsorshipsalesecrets.com. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.